Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is an unboxing video. And what are we unboxing? So this is a new head unit for the Toyota 4Runner from years 2014 to 2019. And it's a cool one, guys. So it's a 9-inch full touchscreen display, Android operating system. It also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And the kicker is it looks OEM. It looks straight from the Toyota factory as it should have been, with a nice big screen and all those amenities, and it fits perfectly. No dead bezels and everything, like useless space. It looks perfect. I will leave a link for this down in the description if you guys want to at least check it out. Wait on purchasing it. I'm gonna do a whole series about this. I'm gonna do an install video for it. I'm gonna do a review of the operating system for it. I'm gonna do apps downloading, the OBD2, the Torque app and everything, so you could see all the stuff for the vehicle if there is a Bluetooth device in this. They said they were gonna send me everything. Let's check and see how the Apple CarPlay is, and hopefully I can get maybe some discounts for you guys. It's already discounted, but maybe I can get some more discounts for you guys. But I will leave the link in the description so you guys can at least check it out and see if it's something that you're interested in. But without further ado, let's get this thing unboxed. Apple CarPlay. Neatly packaged too. And even though it was from China, it actually came very, very fast. It came in like 4 days, 5 days maybe. And there it is. Doesn't that look so sick? Oh my gosh. So this is the black color. It's not gonna match perfectly to my TRD Pro inside, because that has like some speckle black to it. But they have black and silver. Ooh, reflection. And there it is, guys. Looks super OEM. Can't wait to install this. Basically just plug and play. You then now also have audio out in the back for amplifiers and everything. Your GPS will work. Video connections for cameras and stuff as well. So I'm telling you guys, this, from the vague videos that I've seen on YouTube, and another reason why I wanted them to send it out to me is because there wasn't a lot of great videos on YouTube for it. No offense to the dudes that already did it, but just not the information that I was looking for, so I wanted to get my hands on it myself and do it for you guys. Here we have the Apple CarPlay adapter. We have another camera, so I may put this one up front because obviously we already have a camera in the 4Runner. This seems to be like a dash cam. They even sent plastic removal tools to get the job done. That is amazing. That is freaking awesome. We got the Bluetooth OBD2 port, so this will automatically send diagnostics from the OBD2 port into the Torque app for this, so you could see things. If you guys have a 4Runner, you know how limited your dash is. So this will be a game changer. That will be very, very cool. And then we have all the associated harnesses and everything right here. It does feel a little plasticky, obviously. I mean, your trim in your 4Runner is plasticky, but this feels super solid. And these are gonna be like touch sensitive buttons, so you can see up closer. The quality is very decent. It's very good. This is honestly my first interaction with aftermarket stereo of any sort. So if you guys are excited for this, make sure you subscribe, because I'm gonna have a whole bunch of videos on this, because it's one of those big products in the Toyota community right now that's just taking it by storm. This, supposedly the company that does make these is the same company that does the Chinese knockoff TRD Pro grills. And they look really, really good. It's very hard to tell which one's OEM and which one's fake. So if that's legit the same company, because there are different vendors, but I made sure like I went all through the proper links and got in contact. It was a person that spoke English and everything. Very good communication back and forth. One of the better companies actually that I have been in contact with to send product out. I was blown away with their customer service. So if it's the same company, it's gonna be great. I cannot wait to put it in the vehicle. Like I said, some of the videos that I've seen of friends that do have it on Instagram, no issues. It does only have 2 GB of RAM. We will see if that's an issue. I don't anticipate it to be, But, you know, maybe if you load it up with a crap ton of apps and you try to watch YouTube, call people, do all this stuff while you're driving that you're not supposed to be doing, then maybe it will have some issues, but we will see. So, if you guys are excited for this to get installed, like I said, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm gonna have a ton of videos for it in the future. It will be in its own playlist. I'll catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.